10 Home Remedies for Quick Hemorrhoid Relief. From ice to witch hazel, try these simple home remedies for hemorrhoids and find quick relief from the pain and itching. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. How to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Load up on fiber. Looking for home remedies for hemorrhoids? Start healing from the inside out with a high fiber diet, which can reduce the bleeding and pain from hemorrhoids. Fill your plate with fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, brown rice, whole grains, and nuts for hemorrhoid relief. Drinking plenty of water can also prevent constipation. 2. Use a tea bag for hemorrhoid relief. External hemorrhoids can be soothed by applying a warm, wet tea bag. The tannic acid in the tea will help reduce swelling, ease the pain, and promote blood clotting to stop the bleeding. 3. Avoid sitting. If you have a desk job, walk around for 5 minutes at least once an hour to relieve the rectal pressure that causes hemorrhoids. At the gym, avoid stationary bikes and squats, both of which can apply that same pressure. Instead, try walking briskly for 20 to 30 minutes to encourage bowel function. 4. Soak with warm water. Warm water increases blood flow to help shrink swollen veins. To reap its benefits, fill your bathtub or a sitz bath, which fits over the toilet, with 4 or 5 inches of water. Take a seat in the water with your knees raised to get maximum exposure to the affected area. Dissolving a handful of Epsom salts in the tub before you start your soak will help constrict the hemorrhoids even more. 5. Ice up. Blood vessels swell up with hemorrhoids, but coldness can shrink them and give major relief. Fill a bag with ice, wrap a thin cloth around it, and sit on it for about 20 minutes for hemorrhoid relief. Repeat as necessary, but wait at least 10 minutes between each application. 6. Keep it clean. Switch out your daily shower for some bath time if you can so that you can soak the anal area with warm water. Don't use soap or alcohol-based or perfumed wipes, which could make hemorrhoids worse. Don't worry, a warm soak will still get you clean. When you're out of the tub, use a hairdryer to dry the area gently. 7. Lie down. How to treat hemorrhoids without gels or creams? Simply take the weight off your sore anal area by lying stretched out on a couch with your legs up for half an hour. You'll improve circulation to your backside as well, improving hemorrhoid relief. 8. Use simple toilet paper. Scented and colored toilet paper contains extra chemicals that could irritate sensitive areas. Dampen plain, white, unscented toilet paper, or use a moist towelette when you need to wipe. Follow up by applying an unscented moisturizer with facial tissue. 9. Dab on petroleum jelly. Here's how to treat hemorrhoids with Vaseline. Petroleum jelly can soothe the affected area if you dab a bit onto the sore spot for quicker hemorrhoid relief. Give yourself permission to go. Holding in your bathroom breaks can lead to constipation, meaning you need to strain more when you do go. That could cause pressure in your abdominal and bring on hemorrhoids. Instead of focusing on how to treat hemorrhoids, find a restroom as soon as you need one to avoid them in the first place. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.